trial and errors on an install job. So we got this side of the gate installed, and we did this post 3 feet exactly. But on this one, we had to actually raise it up, so it's probably like 2 feet, 2 foot in the ground instead of 3. And we got ready to install this gate, and it's not. It's kind of leaning to the side. So that's a trial. Some things that you have to keep in mind when you're installing is to always bring extra concrete if you have to, and sometimes you have to come back and do a post. So some things just to think about when you're installing, because we way out in the middle of nowhere, literally. So it would have worked out best if this would have worked out. So now we got to come back again. That's just part of it, man. Trial and error. But as far as the install done, it was pretty easy. But we got to redo this post. So it's good to make sure you check and get it on good solid ground. But we actually had to lift this one some because this goes on the angle, which we probably should have just put this. Probably should have made this a foot longer too. Then that might would have helped too, since we had to go. But we didn't know that though. So one of the trial and error situations. Hold on.